MP3. Now, you need to save this in your file. See, it automatically says it wants to save it on Audacity. Don't save it there. Go to your computer. Mine is called an iDrive, but yours will have your name on it. So open that and then place it somewhere where you know you will be able to find it again. So I'm going to put mine in my Emerging Tech folder. And then you can name it 3-minute mix or whatever, but you're going to, you're going to need to name it your name. So let's just switch that out. And I'll just put Buyer Mix. So make sure you name it your name. Save it. And then you will be prompted here. What you need to do now, do not press OK. You're going to have to find this file. So go to Browse. Then we're going to go to Computer. We're going to go to Dropbox. We're going to go to Buyer. Out. Music, so the same place we found all the music, but now you're going to look for that specific file, and it's in alphabetical order, and right here it is, lib mp3 lame win, and you're going to click it once, click it again, and one more time, and it's going to bring you back here. Okay, now you have that file in there. Now you can press OK. Now it will turn, and when it comes up with this, your tracks will be mixed. Say OK. And OK one more time. And now it will turn it into an MP3. Doesn't take too long. All right, so once that file is completed, now you have to open up two files. First of all, find the file that you just created. So I put mine in my Emerging Tech folder, and I called it Buyer Mix. There it is. And then also open up another folder, and you're going to place it in the Dropbox. We're going to follow the same process, except this time we're going to put in, and then we're going to put music mixes. And we're just going to drag and drop it right in here. Okay, please do not put it in the graded folder. I'm going to be using the graded folder after it has been graded. So please do not put it in there or yours will not be graded. I'm assuming those have been graded. All right. And that's all you have to do. Now, yours may look a little different as well. So I'm on a different computer I haven't used before. So if I finish in the Windows Media Player files. Once I do that, see how it changed? So it may look like that. That is all there is to it. Remember, if you don't understand anything after this video, please ask.